What's up, trader? Sam here, founder of Uncle Sam Trading, and I'm fired up to announce we're not just back, we are better. We have completely reimagined the Uncle Sam Trading experience, sleek new design, intuitive navigation, and most importantly, indicators so accurate they will blow your trading mind. To celebrate the relaunch together, we're dropping a bombshell offer. Each of our premium indicators, normally $99, is now yours for just $29. But hold on tight, because it gets even wilder. Subscribe to an indicator for just $29 a month and get every single indicator we offer, including all future releases, absolutely free. This is a lifetime price lock guarantee. Subscribe now and this price is yours forever. So why are traders flocking to Uncle Sam Trading? Because our indicators are built different. We don't just follow trends, we anticipate them. See the difference? While other indicators lag behind, ours provide early signals, giving you that crucial edge to enter and exit trades with precision. No repaint, no guesswork, just pure accuracy. But it's more than just technology. Our indicators are easy to use, designed for traders of all levels, with clear settings and comprehensive tutorials. Non-repainting. I repeat, non-repainting. The signals you see are the signals you get. No more second guessing. Proven performance, rigorously tested on various assets and timeframes with results you can trust. Transparent. We share our settings and results openly. No hidden tricks, just pure performance. And unlike those other providers who nickel and dime you for every little feature, we believe in giving you maximum value. One subscription unlocks everything. So let's break down to our premium flagship indicators, starting with the Futuristic Dynamic Reversal Indicator. This is not your average reversal indicator. It's a dynamic beast that adapts to market volatility, giving you laser-focused entry and exit points. The dynamic length automatically adjusts based on market volatility, ensuring optimal sensitivity at all times. No more manual adjustment. Want more control? The sensitivity settings lets you fine-tune the indicator to your preferred trading style. Scalp, day trade, swing trade, it's your call. And for the visual traders out there, feast your eyes on the radar effect. This gives you a glimpse into future price action, helping you visualize potential breakouts and reversals. It's like having an extra sense in the markets. Next up, the Blades indicator. This bad boy cuts through the clutter and identifies those explosive momentum shifts that can make you a fortune. The longer the blade, the stronger the signal. It's that simple. See how the Blades indicator nailed these major reversals? It's like having a cheat code for the markets. With the long blade look back and short blade length settings, you can customize this indicator to any time frame or trading style. Scalp those quick moves or ride those long-term trends. The choice is yours. Now for the heavy hitter, the Whale Zone Indicator. This is your window into the world of institutional trading. It tracks big money movements across multiple time frames, revealing the hidden zones where whales are accumulating and distributing. These colored channels are your roadmap to whales activity. The blue channels indicate bullish accumulation, while red channels signal bearish distribution. Those signals are your golden tickets to explosive breakouts. But we don't stop there. The Whale Zone Indicator also tracks the success rate of those breakouts. In this example, BTC USDT daily time frame, we're seeing a bullish breakout success rate of 83% and a bearish breakout success rate of 87%. That's the kind of edge that separates the pros from the amateurs. Whether you're trading crypto, stocks, Forex, or anything in between, the Whale Zone Indicator has you covered. It's the ultimate tool to understanding market dynamics and trading alongside the smart money. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Imagine combining the power of all three indicators, the Futuristic Dynamic Reversal Indicator, the Blades Indicator, and the Whale Zone Indicator. This is where you unlock truly unmatched results. See how these indicators complement each other. The Reversal Indicator pinpoint the turning points, the Blades Indicator confirms the momentum shifts, and the Whale Zone Indicator provides the macro context. It's like having a trading supercomputer at your fingerprints. This exact synergy is what sets Uncle Sam Trading apart. We don't just provide individual indicators, we provide a complete trading ecosystem designed to maximize your profitability. But wait! There's even more. At Uncle Sam Trading, we're not just about providing you with amazing indicators. We are about empowering you to create your own trading destiny. That's why we offer custom indicator development and strategy creation services. You have a brilliant trading idea but lack the coding skills to bring it to life? Our team of expert developers can build your dream indicator or strategy tailored to your specific needs and trading style. One of our clients wanted an indicator that combined price action, volume, and sentiment analysis to identify high probability reversal patterns. We built it for him, and now he's consistently crushing the markets. This could be you. Don't settle for ordinary. Step up your trading game with Uncle Sam Trading. Head over to unclesamtrading.com and claim this insane offer before it's gone. Remember, subscribe to an indicator for $29 a month and unlock the entire arsenal of Uncle Sam Trading indicators, including all future releases, completely free. Join the Uncle Sam Trading family and let's conquer the markets together.